Hi everybody, welcome to the video surprise of the day. Today I have a 2019 Honda Accord and I'm going to give 5 tips and tricks. Please remember to subscribe, hit the bell icon when you be notified of new videos, and I really appreciate thumbs up. It helps me a lot. First of all, let's get started today. So today I'm going to talk about the 5 things that work on the Honda Accord and other Honda models as well. So please feel free to chime in and post below if you have any other suggestions as well. So, like I mentioned, we're in a nice sunny day today. Temperature is around 70 degrees. Lunar silver metallic is the color of this vehicle. That brings us to tip number 1. Tip number 1 is very simple. Tip is basically getting a cover for the remote key. So, so should you drop it or damage it, it's quite expensive on a new model to get that replaced. So you could buy this on eBay, by the way. And it just wraps it around. So tip number 2 is how to open all the windows and moonroof at the same time. So it's really great for temperatures over 100 degrees, maybe for example. And it's so all you do is hit the unlock button one time, hit it again, and hold it. Keep on holding it, then the windows will go down. Once you release the unlock button, the windows will stop. So you can keep on holding it, and the window goes all the way down. This may work for other models as well, so please post below. I do have a Touring model right here that I'm showing. I'm sure it works on the EXL and the EX model as well too. I'm not sure about the LX. Okay, tip number 3 is gas door unlocking doors. So one of the things that change, from many other vehicles is the locking for the gas cap. So to lock the gas cap, you lock your doors, the gas cap is locked. Okay, everybody knows that. But if you unlock your doors, like I have right here, it's not locked right now. Take my word for that. Then you could open the gas cap. Suppose you're at the gas station, for example, right? You need to fill up your vehicle, all right? And you don't want to leave your doors unlocked because it could be theft in that area. Maybe that place is not that great to be at, so you want it locked. So I could say how you open it, just press on it, then it opens up. That only unlocks when your doors are unlocked. But there's the secret to go about this is actually to unlock the gas cap first. It's a capless gas cap, by the way. Then you go back to the vehicle, not the second door as you see over here, right? The rear doors don't have anything that you could lock. You have to go back to the driver door to lock. And that's a nice look at the caplets. So it means no caps to worry about. No worry about the gas cap light making an engine light show up. It doesn't have that anymore. So capless. So you just plug in the nozzle hose to use. But I'm gonna show you to unlock it. And all those people that are new to the Honda or the remote, you can just touch the ridge on the driver's side door, for example, or the passenger door, front door, then that can unlock. You just put one of your fingers on there, then that will unlock. Just put it like this over here. Turn my camera. There you go. All right, that brings us to the next tip. The next tip is when filling up the gas, wait 30 seconds before lifting the gas nozzle. So this prevents spillage in the gas cap door area. Okay, I noticed that the capless, there's positive, negative. The positive is basically you don't have to worry about, you know, putting the cap, making that cap tight enough and all the stuff. The other thing is basically you have to remove the nozzle carefully. Otherwise, you're gonna have some drips and stuff like that. And if you park in a garage or anything, it smells like gas. So wait about 30 seconds or even a minute, right? If you could wait a minute, then take the nozzle out, pull it up, slowly bring it out, and you shouldn't have much residue or drops on the gas cap nozzle. So that's something that's going to be helpful once you get this vehicle or you have one, you want to prevent that. Okay, number 5 is rotate right mirror. So move the switch of the mirrors to the right. Then you put your car in reverse. You can see your right mirror tilt down. Tilting down enables you to look at the curve. So if you park on the side, you can see how close to the curve you are parking to. That prevents you wheel rash, the scraping of the wheel. I against the curb. So you put it back in park, drive, it comes back up. I'm going to give you a bonus one here. The bonus one is the brake hold feature. The brake hold feature works really well if you're stuck in traffic or you're up in the hill. You're stuck going up the hill or going down the hill. So you can relax your right leg. So all you need to do is put in brake hold. You release your foot on the brake. And once you go, just hit the gas and the brake hold will release. So that's a nice handy feature if you're stuck in traffic or you're really tired going up and downhill. You don't want to keep on holding the brake. So that's something that will help you out if you're driving long distance or it's a long day for you. Hopefully these ideas help you out. I really appreciate a thumbs up. If you have something else to share, please leave them in the comments. And I'll see you next time. Bye.